Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to install application for your speaker Amazon Echo Spot on your Android device. So, firstly, connect your speaker to the power and you will have this QR code. You can scan it or go to Play Store. So, let's starting with the scanning. Here we go. Now we have a link to Amazon website and it open application. So you can scan this QR code and write Amazon Alexa in the Google Play and now install it. Now open it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!